Moment of truth. First of all, pro tip. Put something below, otherwise the chocolate is gonna obviously stick to the pan, which I didn't think about, but yeah, I got strawberry, banana, and pineapple, and a nut which I already had and was really good. So, banana. It's a little bit crunchy, I love it. Same thing happened here. Alright, that's like sour and sweet right here. And butter, it just has everything. It's really good. Should have made even more than I already have. Strawberry! That always happens. This is really good. I thought of it yesterday when I had strawberries and chocolate pieces in front of the TV. But yeah, I was like, tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna try it out. I'm glad I did it. But I think I should leave them in the fridge a little longer so that they're more crunchy on the chocolate. I love that. Alright.